Little bag, brawling, the goalie yard.
You no need to listen to her, brother. Listen to this now. Listen to it. I'm glad somebody talk about it, you know. I'm glad somebody a bumbuckler talk about it.
This are for the Jamaican man them and the Jamaican man them only. Listen to me. It's a very, very thin line between being fashionable and looking like a sprat.
Like a little bag, brawling, the goalie.
Nah, I want the bumbuck. I want the bumbuck.
Yard, you see me?
Go on, purse? Purse, brother, I wanna bring it on a purse. When me I grew with my father and my uncle them, not even scandal bag them man they take from shop when the man they come from shop. So the man them gone in a purse. Purse, brother, I wanna bring it on a purse. Get there. The man them now wear clocks again. The man them now wear cut off foot pants again. Want to cut off foot pants and mesh marina and a desert clocks. One day for the know say desert clocks for man are one of the sexiest shoes them a man can put pan him foot. A bad man alone wear them shoes there. Uno a change up the culture. Uno a name brand out the culture. Me nah say you can't wear no name brand, you know. But no, I know we that. No, uno stop it. And you know I blame too? I blame the woman them. I blame the woman them because the man them a look fishy and not say nothing. On the things that the man them look good because the man them a wear a look a name brand. No. On look like batty man. On look like fish. On look like sprat, brother. Stop it. Stop the purse. Not fashionable, bro. I'm a fashion designer. I'm a stylist. And me I tell you say as a man not fi carry purse. A man not even supposed to carry one of them crossover bag there. Where you carrying a your bag? Where you need a bag for as a man? Cause you can't tell me say you're gun you carrying a your cross bag. Cause it's no way. Because first of all, if a man a come pop you, you're dead already if you have to go zip out your purse to go for your gun. Cause the man there go for film gun from film waist. So you're dead already. Someone who will not put in on a purse. Everything the Yankee them do no follow. We are going to kill out our own culture when we don't follow everything what them a do.
Yo, don't need to listen to her, man, because I be a fucker who not going with. When I nasty bumbuckler culture for real. And somebody have to talk about it. Listen to what she say. Listen to the bumbuckler facts them what she say, bro. Pussy Clara, I don't know. Bumba wall.